If you're caring for someone at home or need a safer, easier bathroom solution, this might be one of the most useful tools you can have. Because getting to the bathroom isn't always easy, especially at night or for someone with limited mobility. That's where this bedside commode comes in. And what makes it different is how versatile it actually is. You can use it right next to the bed or move it into the bathroom. 2 uses, 1 simple setup. Let's start with the design, because this is where it really stands out. Setup takes seconds. You simply snap the backrest into place and adjust it to the height you need. No tools, no complicated instructions. And that's important, because this is something you want ready instantly. Now let's talk about the main feature, the removable bucket. It comes with a lid, so after use, you can cover it and remove it easily. You can also use liners to make cleanup even faster and more hygienic. Simple, practical, and designed for real life. But here's something people don't think about: stability. Because safety matters. This unit has strong side handles, non-slip rubber feet, and a sturdy frame, so users can sit down and stand up with more confidence. And then there's adjustability. Because one height doesn't fit everyone, you can raise or lower it to match the user's comfort level, which makes a huge difference, especially for elderly users. Now here's where it gets even better. This isn't just a bedside toilet. You can also use it over a regular toilet as a seat riser, which means you don't need 2 separate products. And for added convenience, it includes a splash guard, making it cleaner, easier to use, and less messy overall. Now let's talk portability, because this folds down quickly. So whether you're moving it between rooms, taking it upstairs, or even traveling, it's easy to carry and store. And when you need it again, it sets up in seconds. No hassle. Now here's what really matters. For caregivers, this means less stress. For users, this means more independence. And that's the real value. Because something this simple can make everyday life a lot easier. So if you're looking for a bedside commode, a toilet seat riser, or a portable bathroom solution, this is definitely one worth considering. Because the right support doesn't just make things easier, it makes them safer. Check the link below if you want to learn more and see if it's the right fit for your needs.